Hi guys, my name is Jessica Ventrone, and Rachel Williams is here as well, and then Tim, our IT guy, is here. And so what we're showing you today is like the paperwork behind our diesel fuel testing. So first off, we're going to start off with the quote, because we send these samples to WEC Lab and they like charge us money for the materials and to run the actual tests. And so you can see the quotes here for all the different tests. This is our quote, the 45. And so now you can see the different method information, and you can also see like more of the method information here, and then it tells you, this is sampling guide, so it tells you how many days that it can be held, and also the amount of the sample you need, and how you should preserve it, So it's pretty basic. It's basically a guide to make sure that you get them a viable sample. Next up we have the chain of custody form. And so this one we have on the computer, so we're not going to show you how to fill it out, but we'll tell you where you would put where. So for the client name, you would put for us it would be Jessica Ventrone and Rachel Williams. It would, or maybe even Channel Islands. And then for project, for us it's diesel fuel testing. And then for the address, you would put 1 University Drive, and then you put a phone number, an email, project manager, which would probably be Mary Wu, and then the sampler, which for this was Rachel. And then here you would put the analysis required, and you would put it for each sample that we did. You would also put the sample site where you took the sample. You would put the time that you sampled it, the date sampled, and then the ID number. And then after that, you would put what condition it was in when you preserved it, and then you would, when you go to give the sample, the samples to WEC Labs, you would put relinquished by, say I was the one that was handing it off to the people that were going to take it to WEC Labs. I would put Jessica Ventrone and the date and time that it was relinquished, and then they would fill out received by whoever picked it up and the date and time that they received it. And then we would also put what type of handling we need, if you need it in the same day, if you need it in 24 hours, to be rushed in 24 hours, 48 to 72 hours. And so that's about it. It's just to make sure that your sample is viable and good, and that no one was messing with it, because you can imagine that would be relatively important, say if they're testing a company that might not want to be found out. But with us, we're just students, so should be pretty good. Okay guys, well thank you for your time and patience, and say bye to Tim the helper.